Occasionally I have to do these videos and I don't like the fact that I have to do them. I wish that there were not scams out there. I wish that there were not people out there trying to scam people out of their Shiba Inu, their Shiboshis, or their land that they bought inside the metaverse. But there simply is. And by the way, there's scams out there for other projects as well. There are Cardano ADA scams out there, and this is really a sad state of affairs when there's people out there that are out there trying to take from others, and it's a fact of our life. I get it, but I just wish it wasn't so. So this video is to specifically make you aware that there's a scam out there that's pretty good and complex, and it looks real. And I hope that you don't fall for it. By the way, personally, anything going on in the description below, sorry, not in the description, apologize, comments below, not the description. The description's mine. I control that. Anything in the comments below where it looks like it's me trying to get you to go and send money or do whatever or call that is not me. Those are fake scam comments. I have tried to get rid of them. I can't control that they're down there. I wish that they were not there. I have zero control over that. So please don't fall for that. And by the way, don't fall for anybody who looks like me, acts like me on Twitter, trying to reach out to you to get you to do something. I don't do that. I don't DM anybody, any of that kind of stuff. So just FYI. Okay. So scam alert having to do with Shibarium and Shiba Inu. Let's talk about what this is. So let's cut to the chase. Investors are losing access to fake Shibarium website. Okay. So here it is right here. So this site, and here's what they're doing. So there's people out there running ads on Google that looks real, that are trying to get you to come over to there. And then when you get there, they're going to do a very, very good job of connect your wallet and this kind of stuff. And basically, grab and steal your Shiba Inu, or maybe even anything in your wallet or that kind of stuff. It's just not good. And this is a screenshot of one of the actual fake ones. Notice, look at the right here where my cursor is, where this red line, look at the spelling, shibariumi.com. Now somebody who just like, oh, boom, and they click on it, but notice it's an ad. They're running an ad. So it's moving them to the top, right? And that's how they're scamming people. Very, very good scam, if you will, from the standpoint it looks real, acts real, feels real. Just please don't fall for it. Okay. The official website for Shibarium is beta right here, beta.shibariumtech.com. Okay. So please don't fall for any of these things. Okay. That's what I got for you. Just don't let it happen to you. The problem is these scammers are getting better and better all the time. That's the issue. They really are. And if it sounds fishy or looks too good, usually it is. Don't fall for it. I'll see you. Have a good one.